Our little Frankenstein. There she goes. Where are you going, baby? Come over here.
Come on, Annabelle.
Or drunken sailor. Watch your head. Oh! I think she's getting tired.
Come here.
She wants to run. Come on, baby.
Come here. Come see
Come
me.
here. Okay. Good walking. Good job. Come on. Uh-oh. It's okay.
Yeah.
That's all right. Good job. The racetrack has now become a walking track. Yeah.